How to get custom alarm sound on Realme device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can get custom alarm sound on Realme device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, we will open up clock in our device. Once here, now you have to select the time where you want to set your custom alarm. Tap on this drop down right here. Now from here, tap on this alarm sound. Once you land on alarm sound piece, here if you navigate at the top section, there is a small section that says your sounds. So to get your custom sound, tap on add new. Now from your device, you can add your custom sound. Tap on the three-line icon at the top right and here, top left, and here select audio. Now from your device, you can select your preferred custom sound. And there you go, now you have added your custom alarm sound in your Realme device. If you want to use other platform music such as YouTube Music or the Spotify, you can also select that from this top section right here. So that's the way to get custom alarm sound on Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.